Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Hey, look what we've got here, a 1970 Ford Torino GT. It's a genuine GT with an original 351 Cleveland. This thing's been restored from the bottom up. Beautiful car, nice enhancements. It's just a handsome car. Nice fastback body style. It's a big car, but it's good looking. Anyway, go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs. That's where you can study over 100 pictures. And that is where you'll find the price tags on over 200 collector cars that we have for sale. Volocars.com. If you enjoy watching these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. I've been busy running around the country buying cars. It's been almost 2 weeks since I've done a video, so let's see how bad I messed this one up. But anyway, it does have a folder of receipts. That's what I'm holding here for a lot of the work that's been done, and good information to have. Under the car is beautiful. The floors are all clean metal. The frame rails, all the seams, the rockers, all beautiful clean metal, painted a semi-gloss black. The front end is completely redone. All the bushings, ball joints, all the steering controls, pitman arm, the power steering control valve, all of that's been replaced. It's all detailed as well. It's also upgraded with VariShock, I think is the brand, a variable shock. It's what it is. It's coil over adjustable gas shocks up front. In back, it's got new bushings in the springs, and it has Coney gas shocks in the back. You look up at the motor, it's spotless. The starter has an insulation wrap around it. It's a C6 automatic transmission, which is the heavy-duty Ford transmission. That's been completely rebuilt. The drive shaft is new. All the U-joints are new. The rear end has been rebuilt. The 9-inch rear has new posi gears in it. I think it's a 3-to-1 ratio, the owner had told me. The fuel system new. The tank is nice and shiny. The straps are new. The sending unit, the fuel lines, all been replaced. The brakes are completely redone. And up front, they're upgraded with Willwood calipers and drilled and slotted rotors. I think it has stainless braided hoses too. The brake lines are redone. The e-brake assembly is hooked up. The drums in back have been rebuilt. It's got a dual exhaust system that's all been replaced. Has polished stainless steel mufflers. So looking underneath the car, it's show quality under there. It's beautiful. Everything looks proper. Looks like it's installed nicely. All looks new. Sharp looking car. Again, I mentioned the body lines. It's just long and low and sleek. It has a nice stance. The wheels, everything about it I think is just right. The color is way cooler in person too. I'll get to that in a second. But the body is excellent. It's long, straight panels. It's not wavy. I didn't find any damage. I literally look and I feel. I didn't find any bubbles or problem areas. It's all straight. All the gaps line up real nicely. There's a little nick on the inside of the fender right there. So the body, the hood's nice and square. The trunk is square. The roof is straight. So a really nice body. This is a modern color. It's called Molten Orange. And I didn't realize it until I walked in and seen it in person. When the light hits it, there's a lot of metal flake that just dances in the lights. Beautiful color. It has sport mirrors. The scooped hood has the blackout treatment. Up front, well, both bumpers have been re-chromed. I think those are HID headlights. The grills are in really nice shape. Here's a chip on the inside right here. This and the other one is probably done when they were putting the car together because it's not hitting at all. Marker lights look new. Wheel well moldings probably replaced. All the trim, the stainless trim is all straight and shiny. Two little dimples right here. The chrome on top of the doors must be new. It's shiny. New door handles. There is a small chip right here, a tiny one, and there's a crack right on the edge of the door right here. Right at the edge, there's a split in the paint. The glass is original, but I'd say it's real good. Back windows always have light scratches. This one does as well, but nothing horrible. In back, it has this honeycomb tail panel. This is all in really nice shape. Bumper's been re-chromed. A couple, minor marks. Actually, that's coming off. So yeah, real nice chrome. The wheels, they're 18-inch US mag wheels. Remind me of the Eleanor wheels. I think they're sharp looking. Got some performance tires. This car's got to be lowered. It's just, I can tell it's lowered. It has a nice stance. The interior is all redone. I noticed there's the sound deadener under the carpet. These are Pro Car seats. They recline, they have headrest. They're new, so the cushion's nice and firm. You might notice it has retractable shoulder belts. It has seat belts for everyone all the way around. The engine is supposed to be the original. It's a 351 Cleveland. That's the big block Cleveland. Completely rebuilt. It's got a little bit of a hotter cam. Has an aluminum Edelbrock intake, and it does have aluminum Edelbrock heads as well. Dressed up with a set of Ford Racing finned aluminum valve covers. It has a set of shorty coated headers, a dual feed Holley carb with electric choke. All new electronic ignition system is MSD wires. They're all run neatly. Show quality motor compartment. It's a little tiny dimple in the trim. Door panels look new. The jambs are painted slick. The weather strips are replaced. Sill plates are new. Trunk compartment's completely rock solid metal. It looks like it has body shop dust. It's like a flat black paint. All clean metal. I would repaint the trunk, give it a nice spatter finish or a nice black finish. But it does have a new mat. Batteries relocated to the trunk. Now under the trunk lid in the jamb is just as slick as the car. New weather strip. In the dash is a retro stereo. It has a hidden antenna. There's no antenna on the car. 6x9 speakers in back. The headliner, dome light, visors, the mirror, all that up here looks new. The rear seats upholstered to match the front seats. Back in the engine compartment, it has the billet brackets and pulleys in front, a chrome power steering, new alternator, has an aluminum Champion aluminum radiator with dual electric fans. It has a Willwood master cylinder with power brakes. All the metal is clean, really nice metal, all painted semi-gloss like the bottom. Under the hood is painted the color of the car. A lot of new nuts and bolts and hardware. It has one of the braided stainless steel dipsticks for the transmission. Squirters are hooked up. Has the horn, new horn. So everything in here is really nice. Back inside here, the dash pad is new. The instrument panel is really nice. It has two custom round gauges with a little mini tachometer built into it. A nice cushion grip GT steering wheel. Has the hump hugger console with the cup holders, which we like to have nowadays for our coffee. And a Quicksilver B&M shifters on the floor. So it's got a lot going for it. I noticed the two vents are dirty. Probably get in there and clean them or replace them. But that's about the worst of it I've seen inside here, are two dirty vents. So there you have it. I think it's a nice show quality cruiser type car. It's got not many miles on it since it's been redone. I sold a Hemi Roadrunner for this gentleman a few years ago, and it was a real nice car. People were happy with it. I like this because it's different. You don't see too many of them. There you have it. That's my impression, but you can go to volocars.com, and there's plenty of ways to contact our salesmen. If you have specific questions or concerns, let them know. They'll help you the best they can. They can get this delivered to your driveway. They can also help you get it financed. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.